Hi everyone, this is Vijay Kumar from Civil Department, KGRT College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss intellectual property rights. So we have actually three types of properties. One is real property and the second one is personal property and the third one is intellectual property. So what is real property? So this real property is nothing but the value of real estates, real properties. It belongs to land properties. Okay, personal. So the things which we have. Okay, the self. Intellectual. That is nothing but the fruits of human mind, which is came by humans. Okay. So actually, what is intellectual property? So intellectual property is nothing but the innovation and creation in the fields of arts and science and technology in literacy. Okay, this is the intellectual property. So what is intellectual property? That is nothing but innovation and creation in the fields of arts and science and technology and literacy. Okay. So coming to the point, actually intellectual property is also known as industrial property. In some foreign countries like America, USA and UK, they called intellectual property as industrial property. Okay. So actually we have four types of intellectual property. So the first one, the type of intellectual property is trademark, and the second one copyright, and the third one patent, and fourth one trade secret. So actually we have these four types of properties. One is trademark and another one is copyright and another one is patent and the next one is trade secrets. Okay. So we have four types. How many types? Four types of intellectual property. So the first one is trademark. Okay. So what is the trademark? Trademark is a symbol or a slogan or a word which is used to represent the quality or ownership of a product. Okay. So what is trademark? Trademark is a word, slogan or symbol or any type of sound which is used to represent the ownership and quality of a product. Ownership and quality of a product. Okay. So, the example for trademark, you can take the Apple mobile, you can take Santosh soap, okay, and you can take whatever the things we are using daily from morning when you woke up till to the end up, okay. For example, when you are using the brushing, the morning set, the Colgate, that is also one trademark name, okay. So, in the night sense, up to the evening I am saying, okay, in the night also, what are the beds you are using, that is mattress, one of the trademark, okay. Like whatever the things we are using in the daily use, that all are comes under the trademarks only. Whatever the soaps we are using, whatever the paste we are using, whatever the eating things, okay, these all are under comes the trademark, okay. And copyright. So, what is copyright? Copyright is nothing but it protects the original works of authorship. Okay, what is copyright? Copyright is protect. It gives protection for original works of authorship. Original works of authorship. So, actually copyright, it means whatever the work which is done by self, okay, the author which is created by a author. For example, a thing, a sound, a song sung by some for example you, okay, or else some singer. So, that is original work. And a novel written by you, that is the original work. A diagram drawn by you, that is the original work, okay. My sound is coming, that is my original work, okay. So, these all are comes under the copyright. So, what is copyright? Okay, it protects the original works of authorship, okay. And then coming to the point, patent. So, what is patent? Patent is a grant from US government, okay. Patent is a grant from US government, okay, which prevent to make, which is preventing the sell or buy their own things so by other people, okay. For example, you have a patent right, you have something, so it can gives a right, okay. Others cannot modify that. So, this is came from US government, okay. And the fourth one, what is trade secrets, okay. Secret, secret means the thing which is known by you only, okay, which is not revealed to other people, okay, which is not revealed to other people. So, that is trade secret. Actually secret, that is the secret. So, what is the trade secret? In coming to the point, the secret is which is trade, nothing but firms or companies or industries, that is trade, okay. The secrets which is maintained by the industries or companies or firms, that all are comes under the trade secret, okay. Thank you.